would not take America into the Kyoto Agreement unilaterally, meaning I want to make sure that the other developing nations are part of any effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Specifically, China emits more greenhouse gas than we do today. It used to be that we were the big lion when it came to emissions. But other nations are growing very quickly, and so I think the Senate was right in saying don't sign Kyoto. The President was right in saying don't sign Kyoto, because we don't want to say we're going to be the only nation or the major nation that restricts itself. We want to have other developing nations part of this effort. So if we're going to have global emission standards, they ought to be global. They don't call it America warming, they call it global warming. And so I would like to see these standards applied on a global basis. What we can do, however, unilaterally, is take action to become energy independent. And if we do that with more fuel-efficient cars and nuclear power and biodiesel and so forth, we'll dramatically reduce our emissions of CO2, and that will have the effect of helping clean up the planet from its CO2 emissions. And by the way, I want to see that technology go to China as well, because I want them to be more fuel-efficient. And those things, I think, will go a long way to helping reduce the CO2 emissions. Yes, sir.